So on the last lesson we studied arithmetic sequence, okay, and in this lesson we're going to study arithmetic series. So sequence, this is series, it's page 299 of your book, and the second lesson will be on sigma. Okay, sigma is a letter in the Greek alphabet. It's the 18th letter, and that is the symbol. That's how they write sigma, and it is their equivalent of our letter S. So sigma notation, and that's on page 303. So either you pause this video and read your book, or you continue with this video and read the book later for better understanding. So series, okay. So a sequence is a list of terms. Okay, this is a sequence. Okay, so you can continue that without end. Okay, so we know our first term is 5. Okay, what is our common difference here? So you subtract 14 minus 11, 11 minus 8, 8 minus 5, and we find out it's 3. So, okay, so to get the difference, you start from the last going back. It's easier. Okay, so now what is series? Series is when I ask you to add all the terms or the first terms of your sequence. Okay, so series is the sum, meaning addition of the terms in a sequence. So this sum of the first n terms, okay, maybe I ask you to add the first 4 terms, or maybe add, if we continue this, okay, so what's the next letter? And next number will be plus 3, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if I ask you to add all these numbers, okay, so it's going to be a bit cumbersome to add all of this, right? So if I ask you to add all of this, then I'm asking you to find this series, okay, or the partial sum of this list here. And so the sum of the first n terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms. So your n is 9. So that is called the ninth partial sum of the series. Okay, and partial sum of the series is only partial because you can continue this. Okay, and this is the symbol S for sum. Okay, so S is sum of the series. So S, because it's the sum of the series, and the designation is, or the symbol is S sub n, sub n. So I'm asking you to find S sub 9 because there are 9 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you can pause this video and add the first 9 terms. Add all of this. Okay, so I hope you worked on it. So the answer is 153. Okay, so that's a little bit long but still doable. But what if I ask you to find S sub 1000? Okay, so meaning to say you add the, continue this up to the 1000th term and give me the sum. So that's how are you going to do that? So we're going to use math, of course. Okay, the mathematicians, they always like to do the shortcut. Okay, so we will, that is our lesson today, how to find the sum of the first n terms of a sequence. Okay, so this one here, we're going to do that later, how to use the formula to add all of that. Okay, so what, like I said, what if I ask you to find the sum of the first 100 terms? Okay, so you have to add 1, Okay, this is also a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 100. Okay, the story goes that when the mathematician Carl Gauss was a boy, and in their class, okay, the students were very noisy and not listening, very off task. So the teacher told them as a punishment, okay, sit down, be quiet, and add all the numbers from 1 to 100. So the teacher thought that this will keep them quiet for a long time. But then Carl Gauss, okay, this is his name, very important mathematician, okay, so after a while, just several minutes, raised his hand, okay, so and to give the answer. He raised his hand to give the answer. So add all of this up to 100. Continue up to 100. Okay, pause this video and see if you can do like Gauss did. Okay, so let's do this. So some of us, okay, we will add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 up to 100, right? But Gauss, being a math genius, he did not see things the way we do. So what he did, okay, so we are going to add 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to, let's say, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Okay, so that is what we're going to add. So for us, okay, normal beings, we will add it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so but Gauss did it in another way. Okay, this is how he looked at these numbers. If we add the first and the last, okay, what is the sum? Okay, I hope you know it's 101, right? Let's add this and 99. So that is another 101. This and 98, I think you already see where this is going. 101. 4 and 97, 101. So if I continue doing this, how many 101s will there be?